In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a program called Fityk. This can be used for curve fitting and particularly used for curve fitting in XRD, but it actually seems to be a pretty powerful software. It is, of course, free. I'm not going to make you pay for any software during the semester. So let me just show you how to find it. So Fityk, it's obviously an app kind of naming, so it's called Fityk. If I search for it, you'll see that it's the first thing that comes up. So Fityk, curve fitting, and peak fitting software. And if you click on that, you'll get a little more information about it. And then down here, you can get the download. So it is available for Windows, Mac, or Linux. So download the one that you need for your software, and then unzip it or start the Excel or the exe file, and then follow the instructions as it is, and then we will go forward.